Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting companies in the world of technology, OpenAI. OpenAI is a research organization dedicated to developing artificial intelligence in a way that benefits all of humanity. Founded in 2015 by some of the biggest names in tech, OpenAI has been making headlines ever since. So, what exactly is OpenAI? Well, as I mentioned earlier, it's a research organization. But what makes it unique is its focus on creating artificial intelligence that's safe, beneficial, and accessible to everyone. OpenAI is a nonprofit research organization. They're not interested in building the most powerful AI possible, but rather in creating AI that can help us solve some of the biggest challenges we face as a society. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of tech luminaries, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, and several others. Its original mission was to develop advanced AI in a way that's safe and beneficial for all of humanity. But just a few years later, in 2018, Elon Musk stepped down from the board of OpenAI, citing potential conflicts of interest with his other companies. So what is OpenAI up to these days? Well, they're working on a wide range of projects, from language processing to robotics to video games. One of their most high-profile projects is GPT-3, a language processing model that's able to generate human-like text based on prompts. OpenAI is known for its focus on creating AI that is transparent, explainable, and can be audited to ensure it operates safely and ethically. They believe that AI should be developed in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few, and that it should be accessible to all. One of OpenAI's most well-known projects is GPT-3, a language processing model that is able to generate human-like text based on prompts. GPT-3 has been called one of the most impressive AI achievements of our time, and it's been used for everything from chatbots to automated journalism. If you want a more in-depth video about ChatGPT 3 or even the latest version GPT-4, make sure to subscribe to our channel. OpenAI is also working on other projects that could have a huge impact on the world. For example, they're developing AI systems that could help us better understand climate change and find new ways to combat it. They're also working on AI-powered robots that could perform tasks like cooking, cleaning, and even caring for the elderly. In addition to its research projects, OpenAI also advocates for policies and regulations that promote safe and ethical AI development. They believe that it's important for the development of AI to be transparent, open, and inclusive, and they work to ensure that these principles are reflected in the policies that govern AI research and development. Overall, OpenAI is a fascinating organization that is doing important work in the world of AI. Their focus on creating AI that benefits all of humanity and their commitment to transparency and ethics make them a leader in the field, and it will be exciting to see what they accomplish in the years to come. So there you have it, a brief overview of OpenAI and some of the projects they're working on. While there's no doubt that AI has the potential to revolutionize the world, it's important that we develop it in a way that benefits everyone, not just a select few. And that's exactly what OpenAI is trying to do. So if you're interested in the future of AI and how it could change our world, keep an eye on OpenAI. They're doing some truly groundbreaking work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.